Well, we're here at the Allendale Home Hardware in Barrie with Brenda and Asian with the Peggy Hill team. This woman loves curb appeal, right?
Definitely.
So we're talking curb appeal, and we're talking about things that we need to do whether you're selling or you just want to live in your home, right?
Correct.
All right, what's the first thing we need to know?
You need to clean. You need to make sure that the front of your house is spotless. There's no cobwebs, no dust on the door, the windows are clean.
You have a lot of products here that are already in your home.
Yeah.
So cleaning is definitely number one. What else can we do?
We want to brighten it up. We want to add some color, whether it be a welcome mat or some portable flowers, or even the urn that you put it in, be nice and colorful.
What about those people that say, I'm not a gardener?
Just buy a hanging basket like this. You can take these off and put them in an urn, or you can hang them up. It's very easy.
Okay, so Brenda, coming over this way with me, we have a few more items that you recommend for people when they want to increase that beautification of the outside of their home. So we're talking about a brand new door handle, which is not something I would have thought of.
Yes, I mean, if your old one is tarnished, you want to probably add a new door handle. And there's higher end models as well, depending on the price point of your home. So, I mean, you're going to choose what you install accordingly, according to price.
Okay. Outdoor lighting. You said this is a big one. This is something most people need to update at some point.
Yes. Like the handles, if they're tarnished and they're dirty, you want to clean them. If that's not possible, just get new fixtures. I mean, they range from anywhere in price from $20 to $100. You don't have to go crazy and spend a lot of money. It just really makes a big difference when they look shiny and new.
Okay, and then paint. If you come over this way, we've got a couple different kinds of exterior paint. What should people be painting, and what kind of colors should they be looking at?
You should definitely be painting your front door if it needs it, and giving it a pop of color. You want to add that wow factor. You want a buyer to walk up to the front door and even when they're driving by, go, wow, that's a pretty house. It's sort of like dating, you know? You want to, you want that first great impression, and it adds value.
All right. Some great tips. So for more tips, head to our website, thiskindoflife.ca.
Thank you.